My name is Shane Green, and I've been knowing John about 10 years now. I was in 2 accidents. In the first accident, I was rear-ended. When I contacted him, he took care of everything. I didn't have to worry about anything. He came out to my house. You know, my experience was really good with him. The second accident was worse. I was actually in my pickup truck and I was driving, and a young lady was on her cell phone, ran a red light and ran right into me, to the rear end of my truck. I was in a lot of pain. I had the ambulance came, my knees and my arms were tingling, my lower back was hurting, my shoulders and stuff was hurting. I called him that same day after going to the hospital, just letting them know that I was in a bad accident. And he called me within the next hour to find out if I was okay, and that, I really appreciated that. Yeah, when I was injured, it basically made it where, because I own my own construction business, so me being able to lift heavy things that's like 25 or 50 pounds, 6 months to almost a year was kind of like hard for me to do any of those things, so I lost jobs. And with me losing jobs, my income wasn't the same. So it was just a struggle, and like I said, I really do appreciate him getting me into therapy where I could get myself back on my feet. So for those 6 months to the year, I was doing therapy. The therapy was the #1 thing that he had my main focus on, for me to get in therapy, make sure that I go every day to get myself back strong where I could get back to working. Like, he just contacted me all the time to make sure that the therapy was, if I needed to stay longer at therapy, he wanted to make sure he talked to the doctors. He was very hands-on, so he made sure that, that I was okay. He called me often. It wasn't like a receptionist or someone else calling me. He would call me directly and say, how's therapy? If you need to go a little bit longer, just make sure you go and stay till you get better. Now I am better. So one of the most important things I can say about Jonathan Groth is he's gonna make sure that you are made whole. He's gonna make sure that if you are out of work, you're gonna be compensated for the time that you was out. He's gonna make sure that he reaches out to the doctors to make sure you're up to speed. I'm glad I hired him as an attorney.